Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a little bit different today. So I have like literally 3 different intros to this tutorial, but this is a wash day tutorial featuring the brand Miche Beauty. And so you're going to see throughout the video that it's kind of different. I had one tutorial already filmed and edited, and there was a mistake that I made in my wash day that I noticed that my hair just did not like. And so before just kind of giving my thoughts about the products itself, I wanted to try them again, but using a different technique and a different product through the entire line. So you'll see me kind of just shifting between different products. It will be a voiceover through the demonstration of the products, so you can kind of see the difference between the two. I do have the Miche Beauty in my hair now today. I did take my hair down and it came out a lot better. So we're going to discuss the different things that happened, what changed, the way my hair came out, and just my thoughts overall about the product itself. I am an affiliate with the brand for the next month or so. I will leave my affiliate or my discount code in the description box, but I want to give you my honest thoughts about each product itself. And if you want to see how I got these results and just my thoughts in general on what happened, keep watching. Okay guys, so we are starting off with the moisturizing, cleansing, sulfate-free shampoo. My thoughts on the shampoo in general: I love the shampoo. It's great. It suds up, it lathers. Like I am going to mention later in the video, basically something that I did differently was that I shampooed my hair twice. If you see on the left side of my hair, you can still see that temporary color that I had in it from the previous wash week. And so I really wanted to get that out of my hair, and that's why I ended up doing 2 shampoos. However, my hair did not like that. It really did strip my hair. My hair felt a little bit different than it usually does. So would not suggest doing that, especially if you're a low porosity girl. So now here is mistake number 2. This is the Strengthen Protein Deep Conditioner. My hair is protein sensitive. With low porosity hair, when you do shampoo or cleanse your hair, it is opening up your cuticle. And so at that point, my cuticle was super open, being that I shampooed twice, and then I was adding protein on top of it. Usually, especially if you're going to do 2 rounds of shampoo, it's probably better to do a moisturizing deep conditioner than a protein deep conditioner. As you can see, I was having some resistance. My hair was already telling me that I don't know how I feel about this. Again, nothing against the product itself. It's just my hair in particularly just didn't really care for that much protein going right into it. I mean, my hair felt strong. You know, I felt like it was doing its job, but I don't think that my hair liked it. I do usually, if I incorporate protein, I have from Green Beauty, it's a protein treatment. It's in liquid form, and I add it to a moisturizing deep conditioner, and I find that my hair is more accepting versus using a protein treatment kind of a deep conditioner. So I just really noticed that my hair, my hair looked okay, you know, on the outset, but I could just tell a difference on how my hair felt. I know how my hair usually feels, and it just, that method, especially with shampooing twice, then putting protein on top, it wasn't the best kind of a combination. Other than that, again, if your hair loves protein, this will be a great deep conditioner. And if your hair loves thick deep conditioners as well, this is definitely a great product for you. So listen, I don't know if this was another mistake too, because let me tell you, I tried a lot of new different things in this wash week, but I really wanted to incorporate heat for my deep conditioner. I mean, again, as a low porosity individual, heat is definitely important. And I usually use the handheld steamer because that definitely helps to open up the cuticle so it can take in what I have on my hair strands. As you can see in the beginning, my hair was more white, but it was able to open up the cuticle and melt into my hair shaft. And so again, I think my hair was just like, oh, so we got all this protein. And I don't know. I know how my hair usually feels. And I think adding this type of technique, my hair was just like, I think this is just too much right now. But if you are a low porosity girl and you're just putting deep conditioner in your hair, especially a moisturizing one, using steam is great because it really can accept that moisture back into your hair. I like to even put a little steam up in my plastic cap so it can just kind of seal everything in and then let it sit for at least 30 to 45 minutes. So that's pretty much what I was doing here once I applied the deep conditioner. So this is how my curls looked once I took it down. It looked soft. I mean, it was shiny after. I mean, I'm telling you, my hair was strong. After that, I made sure to get the moisture back in by using their Lavish leave-in conditioner. It has avocado oil and argan oil. So I applied that into my hair. It definitely melted into my curls. This is definitely a great leave-in conditioner to incorporate moisture back into your hair. So I applied that while in the shower so that the steam can keep the cuticle of my hair open. And working your product through your hair is important versus just kind of slapping it on top and it not melting into your curls, so that it can be prepped and ready for styling. Okay, so now we're moving on to the Bounce Curl Defining Cream. I actually really like this product. It definitely has a great slip to it. It has marshmallow root and slippery elm. It really worked into my curls. It definitely gives you definition. I was noticing again, like my hair, like because I think it was just the protein overload, I really had to work that product into my hair. The hydrating butter though was really nice because it was a creamy formula. Usually butters are pretty thick and like stiff, and I can't really maneuver it into my hair. And so I really like that about this product itself. So I applied both of those things. Now one thing though that I did not do, usually I do the LCO method where I put the leave-in, the cream, and then oil to seal my hair. I did not add that. That was a struggle. Usually I add that into my hair, which could also be a reason why my hair just did not feel fully moisturized afterward. But when you guys see when I take my hair out, I mean, it has the appearance of moisture, but it definitely escaped because I didn't seal all of that product in by applying the oil after. But as you can see, it gave me good curl poppage. It worked through my hair well. It had great slip. So again, the product itself was good. It was just the method in which I did my styling that I could have done better. And also with flat twisting, if you want more volume, that's definitely a style to do. But I definitely find that when you're doing flat twist especially, you want to make sure you have that moisture in there to lock it in. You have to use a method so much differently with flat twist versus two-strand twist. You'll see towards the end of the video when I redid all of this over how my hair just looked a little bit different. But this is how my flat twist came out after applying the products. And I took it down at least maybe three or 4 days later. I added their sealing oil onto my hands to take down my flat twist. And I did that as slow as possible because I didn't want any frizziness My ends were frizzy because I know I needed to do a little bit of a trim. You will have more, like I said, volume with flat twist. You won't have as much definition. Again, method is so important in how you apply your products so that you can get that type of finish. But I mean, my hair has some volume, honey. I mean, it was bouncy and voluminous, I will say that. And it looked good. Honestly, it was not terrible. Like, I don't mean to say this that the products were bad. I just think that my hair felt different because of all that protein that it just took in. But it looked bouncy though, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, y'all let me know your thoughts down below, but I just know my hair and how it felt with this wash week. So we're gonna go into the trial 2. Hey guys, just a little quick side note. So I just wanted to bring out a point, which I probably will be saying in my voiceover, but I just wanted to explain it a little bit more in detail. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram page on Naturally LA, I have expressed before that I have a protein sensitivity and my hair just can't take a lot of protein at once. And so what my mistake was using the shampoo and using it twice and then using a protein strength deep conditioner after. So usually I only shampoo my hair once. Because I did it twice, I am kind of stripping a little bit more than I usually do from my hair because I wanted it to be super clean since I had that color in my hair prior to. Now, in doing something like that, you want to make sure you're putting that moisture back into your hair. So when I was doing that protein treatment, even when it comes to protein, you have to make sure you add moisture back into your hair, especially someone with low porosity hair such as mine. So I noticed that my hair was a little bit drier and stiffer after styling. Now this has nothing to do with the products itself. It was just the method and me using it that I made a mistake. Now they do have a more moisturizing deep conditioner that I want to use in another video. And so I'm going to do this again and even see my results after doing that. But I did want to kind of just put that out there. Pay attention to your hair. See how it reacts to certain methods that you change. So I did notice that I switched something that my hair is not usually used to. And so I saw a difference in how my hair, felt. Now my hair is still fluffy. It feels soft. It's just in appearance, it doesn't look as, I guess, as moisturized as it could. I feel like the moisture or the products didn't get to really seep into my hair the way I wanted it to. Again, this is nothing wrong with the product itself. I want to give it a try again, using a different method, doing it the way I usually do on a normal wash week, and see what happens. So make sure you keep your eyes open for that video because that will come up next as well. But I wanted to at least put this out there. Okay guys, so I'm back and I wanted to just add this portion into this tutorial because this was the main issue that I had. You already saw how I did the shampoo. Basically the only difference I did was I only shampooed once. And so now we're going in with the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. And so I'm applying this into my hair. I can definitely see an immediate difference with how this deep conditioner reacted to my curls versus the protein one. I really made sure I worked it in my hair because it needed so much moisture back into it. I made sure I really got it into the strands. And after I applied it, I added my heated cap that you can warm up in your microwave and put that on top of my head for about a half an hour to let that soak in because again, I needed that moisture heavily. And it was so much easier, as you can see, with the detangling versus in the previous slides. When I was doing that protein one, my ends were like, bruh, what are we doing? So this deep conditioner was definitely a lot smoother to use. Okay, so this is 30 minutes later. This is how the deep conditioner looks into my hair. It felt so soft. Definitely a major difference. My hair felt like it was moisturized. It was popping. I loved it. And so basically you're just gonna be watching me shaking the curls around with some curl poppage. I always like to grab some footage when I have a lighter shirt on so you can actually see the length of my hair. I have so many different textures in my hair, guys. So many different shrinkage rates throughout the entire part of my hair because of the different texture throughout. So it's just looking like a serious diamond. Oh my God. I guess this is bloopers that I did not mean to put in here, but y'all gonna see me almost fall. So be careful out there, just letting you know. And next we'll be showing my styling. So now we are basically back. I am adding the oil into my scalp. And again, using the same two products. However, I'm making sure that after applying it, I use the oil to seal all of that together. Also, what I did differently is I only flat twisted certain parts of my hair, and the rest I did 2-strand twist. Again, I noticed that my hair, when it needs to lock in that moisture, those 2 strands really make a difference in certain parts of my hair because certain textures need to be treated differently. And so this is about a day or two after putting the twist in. And so I'm just applying oil back into my hair again to take it down. And I definitely noticed a difference in how my hair came out in using this method. So I wanted to make sure I incorporate that in my tutorials because I don't like to be like, oh yeah, using products, my hair comes out popping and keep it going. But I just want to show the difference and the mistakes I make and, you know, helping others to be mindful of certain things. Let me know if you've tried Miche Beauty before in the comments. I will make sure to leave my discount code in the description box. Again, saying these things is not saying that the products are bad, but just making sure when you are using products to make sure you pay attention to how your hair reacts to it and making sure you don't switch up your methods like me. And obviously I saw the difference in that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and follow my journey and my reviews, my first impressions, and all of that. And I will see you guys in my next video.